Something else that Vegas locals like to do is go to parks so we can be with nature. Occasionally we'll go to Floyd Park where they have peacocks, lots of peacocks. That's why I go. But they also have other creatures like ducks and heron and turtles. And there's so much more to see here. If you're in Las Vegas, look up Floyd Park and go. You will enjoy it. When I was young, we used to go camping out here with my Girl Scout troop. It was so much fun. You would hear the peacocks and they would sound like kids yelling for their mom or like a cat yelling for its mom. So there's my dogs. I hope you really do enjoy this video. Please take the time to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. We appreciate everything you do.